right. I shouldn't be doing that to YouTube.
In fact, Deck 13, shout out to them really quick. I don't know what they are as a publisher, but they do allow Let's Plays, and they do have a couple Godot games, which I might just play on the channel. But there's a lot of indie developers or just, hobby developers that want us to play games too. Not us, but generally anybody, and give feedback. So I gotta get more on those plays again. Okay, let me import this really quick. Click this right here. And yeah, if anyone has a game they want me to test, just put a comment below. If you find me on the Facebook group or I'm on Discord, anywhere, just tell me. I'm still open to play people's games. Really need to get back into game jams. Maybe just don't have the time right now. Okay, let's see. Where's that bouncer? Bouncer finite. Here it is. All right. Ooh, see? Ooh, it's like a choice here. Let's see if I can. I want to make it where I can bounce on one to the other. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Okay, all right. Let's see the difference here. Oh boy, scary.
So which one is which?
Well, the darker one is the finite. I made it darker because Okay. So, but it's funny about you making this. This is exactly what happened. I mean, we already kind of had this with our bouncer. I will say this though, unlike the other bouncer, with the code now and the way it's set up, we're not limited to 1.2. We can now change it to different scales and stuff as well. So that might be more options for us, right? Okay, I'm gonna jump from one to the other one. Here we go. Whoa. Okay, good. I can't. Oh, it's still hard. I'm bouncing though all the time. I don't know how high it was before.
I want to show you. I want you to target the other one now.
Oh, you mean land on the other one and see if it stops me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Give you a lot less energy back.
Okay, let's see if I can make it. Okay, I tried. I don't know if I make it. I made it. Because we don't have, you can't change things. We made this kind of realistic on the jumps. I hope that little press on the button makes it. Whoa. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I did glitch out though.
Yeah, you got stuck.
Oh, am I stuck?
Again. I love that.
Oh, we gotta work on these collisions. Dang it. Okay, I see what you're saying. Hold on, let me try it again. I'll try it again.
Jump 3 times maybe on the infinite one.
Yeah, this is tough. It's gonna be tough
on the finite one. I want to see the finite one actually losing power as you jump.
Oh, man, this is a terrible way to game test. I just should move one closer. I talked to students about how annoying this is. Hold on. I jump. Okay, hold on. And okay, all right. Okay. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh, look at this.
You should be losing power now until. No, actually, I think that's how much that one will push you up, I guess.
No, this is higher than the last one. I feel tired. Okay, hold on, let me go up. Because remember the variable that we have? Oh, I'm like stuck between two of them.
So.
All right. Woo. Okay, now I'm higher. I'll try to get to that one. And. Oh no. I missed. So hold on, let's see. So 1, 2. Okay, here we go. Okay. Can I make it? This is good. This is too much, man. I might have to edit this. I'll try. See, I can do 1's not bad. So I got 1, and yeah, it's equal. So I think it's equal. Okay, hold on. Let me test this. Hold on. Wait, let me grab one more.
It's a bit higher, actually.
Okay, I'm gonna go higher.
Yeah, okay, try it now.
Okay, I'll try if I can land it. I can't land it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try to move it closer. Okay, I'm gonna try to move it really close. There. Now
that's not the problem. The problem is that you think that the camera is at 90%. It's not. You need to be aiming. The character needs to be aiming for the other one when he hits.
I understand what you're saying. I just can't do it. Okay, all right. Let's see. Come on. Oh no. Okay. All right.
So with that one, he actually needs to be aiming. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, there. I got it. See? All right. So I think he's going pretty high here. Okay, hold on, let's see. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, here we go.
Second one. Aim for the second one.
I'm looking for the second. Oh my gosh, maybe we need an aim reticle.
Well, now you overdid it.
Now I'm definitely gonna have to edit it. Hold on. I'll show you overdoing it. Or is this what is it, spatial 2? What is this called? Oh, why is it in here? It's in here? We have it parented here.
Just push it out.
Who cares about pushing it out? There we go. Oh wait, where's duplicate? Duplicate. Okay, duplicate. Duplicate.
Oh, okay. You're smart. Okay.
Duplicate, maybe. The fact that I have to do this is okay.
It's gonna force more bugs into the game.
I know. That's what I was gonna say.
I hate
but at
your
least
ideas.
At least. At least I'm gonna hit the dart thing. Okay, wait, one more over here. Okay. All right. There we go. There's no way, right? Who am I kidding? One more. Duplicate. Okay. What happens if I hit like 2 of these at the same time? I mean,
well, because there is only a single contact being reported, hopefully the physics code will save me, but knowing you.
All right. Okay. Here we go. All right. One more. Or is the other one? Okay. All right. There we go. They're not even in sequential order. Okay. This should do it. Okay. Here we go. Now, reset this thing. Okay. I've got to hit it. I basically put every place that I missed. Here we go. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. All right. Here we go. 3. Definitely going to hit it now.
Explosion.
Are you ready for it? I missed. I missed. Okay, I got it now. I think I got it. I missed again. Okay, this has got to be it. This has got to be it now. This has to be it. Come on. Wow, I'm still missing. Okay, don't worry. Now I got it. Definitely, I really pressed it now. Okay.
Do it when you're landing.
I tried it. Well, remember, we don't have a moving jump. Oh, there you go.
You didn't
Did I press
move
it?
a second. No, wait. Oh, no. Oh, right. You can't. You can only move when you're going up, right? Is that
I think so. I think the way we programmed it. See, now I missed it. I went too far.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Well, let's try it again.
Now I realize why it's so hard.
Why? Why is it hard?
Well, you have to do it on the up slide. You can't move on the downside.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, actually, no.
Because
it could be so fast that we have completely disabled movement.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay, now I got that's 3. I think it was 3. Oh, see? I told you it's absorbing. It's absorbing whatever the other one is.
Wait. Let's close this game. I wanna do something that will prove it within one jump.
Okay.
So rather than making the finite power 1, I'm going to make it 0.4. Wow, I can't do it because this is an integer. Give me a second, please.
Why don't you stop it? Hold on. No. Stop it really quick. Because it might be because it's running. Sometimes it does that to me. Like I can't change variables if it's running. See? That's why, because it's running.
All
right. What do you want me to do?
Test the correct level.
Thing, I fixed the spawner on Nate's level, or sorry, Holy Magus's level. I've definitely got to fix the spawner. All the levels. I have so much stuff I got to do here. All right. Okay. Here we go. 1. Okay. 2. 3. 4. Now we're higher now. Okay. Here we go. 1.
Okay.
2. See, it's absorbing the trampoline power. Whatever the current. Okay, hold on. So let's see what happens if I just jump on the box. If I just jump on the box. See, okay, it's me jumping on the box. Okay, that's how high I'm going. Okay, on one jump. Interesting. Okay, so what happens if? Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so I'm above the box now.
That's a
I'll
lot
do one more.
less energy now. Why is the infinite one receiving less energy?
Oh, because you put the trampoline power lower.
Yes,
Oh,
but
man,
on the finite one, not on the infinite one.
Oh, well, maybe it does need to be, maybe we need 2 materials. Okay. Okay, now I'm just on, hold on. Okay, here, 1. So above it, 2. Okay.
It's the same.
3.
You and your bugs.
No, I'm going higher. I'm going higher. I am going higher slowly. See, I'm going higher. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump now on the red. Hopefully I make it. Okay, there. Yeah, wow. So see that the red, even though so this is I'm telling you, this is what I'm seeing.
Yeah,
what's
but
interesting
it's
here
lowering
is
the energy. It's lowering the energy because the box is the maximum energy that it can give you.
I think it's consistent. I think it's changed. I think I'm absorbing the energy from one. Oh no, you're right.
It's
You're so right.
by,
It's just really taking its time.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's because that one is only returning 95% of the energy plus a finite number like 0.1 up. So that that basically forces that trampoline to have finite energy, maximum energy that it can give you.
So this is fantastic. This gives students a lot of tools to work with when designing the levels now, because they have these crazy, man, you know, these kids came with these crazy things, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like how much is this going to do? So now we've got 2 trampolines that can add to their level designs, and they can plan out how this is going to work. This is so cool. All right, I'm going to end the video here. This is what's going to happen. The next person I'm going to be meeting with is Indy. Should be back. He's been working on some crazy climbing game. Has no clue how to program it, but we are going to be doing level design. Hopefully next video. That is the plan. So check back in about 24, 48 hours. I think that's a good time for me to put these videos together and hopefully have another one then. I guess Happy New Year. Alex, do you have anything else you want to say?
Happy New Year.